morning. Today is April 3, Good Friday, and I'm gonna meet up with my friends because we're gonna celebrate my birthday in advance. Di sila available sa mismong birthday ko. We're gonna meet up in Pister Village. So, this is the boots. Baka mag-boots na lang ako. I think that's better. Mas maganda. Actually, both are okay. I might go with the leopard na lang pala. Kasi mas comfy siya. Then maglalakad-lakad kami. I'm just kasi worried kasi medyo long pants to. I got this from Zara. The trench coat from Zara. This one. Tagal na to sa wardrobe ko. I think I bought it online. This is also from Philippines pa. Boots I just brought somewhere. I think charity shop. Choose lang ako kung anong gagawin ko. I'll be back. Uy! Na-expose na po tayo! Nakaboots na ako. Yeah! So I have gifts for them. I have gift for Riser. Kasi birthday na rin siya this April. Di naman birthday ni Zoe, December pa. Nagiftan ko rin siya. But I wanna give something ng Easter gift to her. Let's go! Bye! I'm so late. Hi, dito na ako sa Pister. This is where we're gonna go. This is Tortelloni. Smile, Tortellini. Your name is Val. Thank you! Bal, ang ganda mo. Ang ganda mo. Ayan na naman eh.
This is our gift,
Thank you, this is our gift.
Happy birthday. Meron ka pang dalawa. Wala na kaming lagayan na isa. So, dyan namin nilagay.
Oh my God, thank you. Wow, kailangan to. Wow, thank you.
Kailangan niya sa kanyang bangs.
Thank you po sa chupa. Char.
Oh, no.
Oh, ang daming balot.
Madaming balot yan.
Balutin mo.
Balutin mo ako.
Balutin mo si Sharon. Para magustuhan mo.
Oo naman.
O, diba? Ang dami. Wow.
Balutin mo lang ang balutin.
Balutin mo lang ng balutin, Bal.
Thank naman.
Hindi mo baka may presyo.
Uy, gusto ko to.
Ano yan?
Blush.
Ay, blush pala yan. Kala
Oh,
ko
diba?
lang sa lip.
Blush.
Liquid yan. Ito sa lips yata yung binili ko sa kanya.
Sa lips.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Ano lang yan? Mga sweets yan eh.
Oo, Bal. Sorry na duro.
Paano? Kanina?
Kanina?
Hindi kanina. Nakatiklop na.
Nakatiklop yan.
Tapos kasi sabi namin na kainin yung lahat. Pistachio. Go! Ay, quiet.
Happy na birthday pa.
Kainin niya si ano? Si tiramisu.
Narinig ka sa video, girl.
Sarap. Grabe. Picture mo muna siya, Ben.
Ay, game na game.
Ina.
Welcome! You're welcome. Wait. Ala! Kaya may audience po tayo sa gilid mo.
CR nila. Sige, go. Lagi. Perfect.
So we got
Strawberry cheesecake.
strawberry cheesecake.
Ito yung
Salted caramel.
salted caramel. Miso salted caramel.
Ice matcha?
Medyo matigas.
Gusto ko sa ganyan chewy. So, hindi ko
Siya bagong matigas.
Oh, yun. Yung bagong luto ba, ano?
Medyo maglalambot siya. Yung ice matcha.
Walang lasa. Sige, go. Ay! Hindi naka-play. Test.
Salted caramel.
Salted. Okay. What can you say?
Nandun na sa loob. Okay na.
Moist?
Sakto lang.
3 out of 5. Rate matcha. 1.
Bye-bye! See you on my next, see you in the next vlog. Say hello, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm gonna have my photo shoot. Whoa. Birthday photo shoot. Lalang. First of all, as a person na mahilig mag-picture, and because it's my 30th birthday, so I feel like it's a milestone for me. Yeah. Ang peg ko ay Princess Diaries. Favorite ko yung movie na yun. This is my look. And this is my favorite glasses from Ralph Lauren. I'll take you later. Bye! Oh my gosh, unfair ang araw ah.
From Singapore, Philippines, amazing.
Okay, I decided to eat in Jollibee muna bago umuwi. My first time again after I came back from the Philippines na mag-Jollibee. Oh my God. Nakaisipin nila mukbang. Hi guys, it's my birthday. I'm going to bath para take a bath. Char. Hi guys! Umuulan po. Pero I'll take you to Silvestre. Ano ba itong ganito? Pupunta muna akong sa hotel para makapag-check. Let's go!
And what was the last name?
Right.
Phone number, please. Just the top two boxes there. And is that for 2 people?
This is so cute. Happy ako sa mga tea. I swear. My gosh. Oh my. Ayan. So may sapitan ng damit. And then, tingnan natin. Ano to? Oh, okay. Merong vault. And what's this? Maybe blower. Not sure. Yeah, hair dryer. Tama. So, okay. Umaraw na ulit siya. Apparently, gano'n naman dito. So, mag-charge muna ako and then mag-aayos ng gamit. And then I might go to Roman bath habang may araw pa.
Tour, but he said you need to be selective at what you do for assignment. Because we won't get to the back.
Listen to the relevant same person will allow you to use the content and you can stop the object by pressing the red right and left to the top layer buttons of the keypad.
Apparently, pipindutin mo yung number. Pindutin mo yung number ng exhibit. For example, this one, 26. So, ita-type mo, 26 sa remote. And then, you press play. And then, pakikinggan mo sila. Pakinggan mo yung narrative. And it tells the story. And it's so nice. Right now, I'm here with Julius Vitalis. Wow, naging historian pa nga ako. I love history. Woo!
The center of the room is a stone bust of a woman's head.
Oh.
Sobrang ganda dito, naiiyak ako. Nakabalik na ako ulit. Tapos sabi ko, dadaan na ako dito. Yeah, it's so worth it. Just so happy. Oh my God. Pinagtitinginan ako. Sabi siguro, ano tong trip ng babaeng to? Guys, birthday ko naman. Pag-uwi ganyan na ako. Head back to the hotel. Sana makaabot pa ako sa pool. And let's see. So love it. Super okay. Guys, hindi para mag-model ng Victoria's Secret. Alam niyo yun. Char. Gonna use this one. Bumili na ako ng sleepers sa Primark. So, this beach ba to? Okay, wait. Hi guys, palabas na ako. Uinit. Sarap, sarap. Love it. Grabe, pagka galing ka sa sauna, then bumalik ka sa pool, kahit na warm naman yung temperature ng pool, parang ang lamig na kasi galing ka super init. But so far, I love it. I feel so relaxed. So, mag-10 p.m. na and the pool closes at 10 p.m. So, I'm gonna go back to my room and then probably eat, order in Uber Eats, and then watch a movie. Guys, I'm literally, whoa, so happy. Happy birthday to me! Hi guys, good morning. I'm just gonna get ready and then quick breakfast. I might go out just for quick stroll since hindi naman umuulan, mukhang magandang weather. Sayang hindi nakita sa camera.
Sorry.
before we leave, I just want to read the cards I've received. One is from my workmates. They are very sweet. Oh, ang cute! Okay. Thank you guys. And next is, this is from Zoe and Raisa. I'm just so grateful for them. Sisirain ko na kasi umiyak siya pag hindi sinila. Okay. Oh! Suna! Ang cute! Thank you guys. Oh, they know me so well. Whoa! Oh my God, ang haba! Maiyak tayo dito, Char. Oh! Ano ba? Char! Bakit yun naman ako pinaiyak? Tears of joy to. Mag-check out na ako and then go home. Just gonna enjoy. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog.